Perspective view of a solid is shown below. The solid is symmetrical and hidden surfaces such as the base are flat. What is the total number of surfaces in this solid? So you have to count the number of surfaces here, and to make it more clear that what the question is saying, let me show you a model. So this is the model which I have tried to prepare. See, what they are saying is symmetrical means whatever is this side is on the same side, same, or whatever is here also, and the base which you cannot see is flat. That means it will be counted as a single surface. So remember this, we will not be getting any model in the exam, we will be getting like this only, but this model is just to help you that how you should visualize so that you get the answer question correctly, right? So now if you have to count the number of surface. Let's start from this side. See, if this is 1 2 3, then for this, because this is a uniform, whatever it is, we can count the number of lines that will give us vertical surfaces. So there are total 8 lines, that means 8 vertical surfaces in this particular part. 8 plus 3 11, and this top one will be 12. Now again this we have counted the vertical part, this bottom part, this will 13 surface. Again this for vertical surfaces, if we see there are 6 new surfaces, 6 vertical surfaces. So 13 plus 6, that will be 19. 13 plus 6, that will be 19, and plus this one top, so 20. So this part will have 20 surfaces, and because this is symmetrical, so this side will also have 20 surfaces. This 20, this 20. Now let's count about this side. This is 1, then 2 3 4, then this one 5, then this one which you cannot see is 6, then the top one 7, 8, this 9, then this one, and this one, and this bottom one, 3 surfaces. So 9 plus 3 12. This part is 13. Now here this one 14, and this, like here it is there, this side also 15. So this side total 15 surfaces, this also 15 surfaces. So here 15, this 15, this 20, this 20, and there is this top surface and the bottom one which is counted as single surface. So total surfaces will be 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 2, that is 72. So for this question the answer will be 72.